Thank you very much, cabin crew. Please take your seats for takeoff. This British Airways service to London Heathrow Terminal 5. My name is Neil Marriott, I'm your purser on today's flight. Excellent teamwork alongside me in the cabin. We're all here to ensure that you have a safe and comfortable journey with us today. As previously mentioned, we do recommend that you keep your seatbelts loosely fastened and visible to our cabin staff throughout the flight. Whenever the fasten seatbelt signs are switched on, you must go back to your seat and fasten your seatbelt securely. I'll just take this opportunity now to add my personal welcome to you all and welcoming back our returning executive club members and One World frequent flyers. We also extend a warm welcome to customers joining us from our code share partners on this route. It's a pleasure to have everyone on board with us today. In a few minutes' time we'll be starting our in-flight service. We'll be offering complimentary food and drink in both our Club Europe and Euro Traveller cabins. We'll later give you the opportunity to purchase goods from the High Life shop. Full details of all of our products are available in the brochure in the seat pocket in front of you. For those customers who are travelling on a passport issued outside of the European Union, you'll be required to fill out a landing card before arrival into the UK if you're terminating your journey in London this afternoon. For those of you connecting onto another international service, there is no need for you to complete this form. However, if you're unsure, then please just check with one of us. We'll be passing through the cabin with those shortly. Well, that's all for now. We invite you to relax, enjoy the flight, and I do wish you a pleasant stay on board. Thank you.